It's time to extract some more power out of this van. So I've been and brought this tuning box. Now, I know I'm going to probably get a lot of hate in the comments saying, it's not really going to work. It fakes that. Let me give it a try first. And if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But let's try it. It was cheap. Come from eBay. Sorry about the siren. Anyway, let's get it fitted. Something else I'd love to fix is the amount of subscribers. Currently, 88.4% of you are not subscribed to my channel. Unfortunately, that means you're missing out on all my latest content. Please subscribe. Reading the instructions, which I've done, believe it or not, it says there's just one plug I need to unclip, which is for the fuel rail. Now, if I'm right, the plug to the fuel rail is just there. But whether I'm going to be able to get to it or not is a different question. So let's get the cameras in there and we'll have a look. I'm not sure what you're going to be able to see. Probably nothing. I know I'm getting dirty down there. Right then. This is no good because I can't get in there to get it. Ah, yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Let's get this bad boy in. So, apparently, again, apologies if you can't really see, that clips in there like that. And that clips in there like that. And then I just need to find somewhere to put this. Around there maybe. Put it there. Could do, couldn't we? More like that. But it does say it needs to go on a cool part of the engine. Put it in just over here for now so that the wire's all tucked up nicely out of the way so that nothing can catch on any of the belts. So first things first, let's see if it starts. So apparently they set them onto position 3 because that's the best for both performance and economy. I think I might turn mine up to 4 though, but it does go up to 7. Right, no warning lights, so take it for a drive, see what it's like. Ooh, don't know if that's just the placebo effect. Tuning box might need turning up a little bit. tell. Maybe it needs to go up one more. Certainly puffing out a bit more black smoke than what it was. Right, anyway, something to think about. What I do is I turn off 3 and put 4 on. See if that makes a difference. So I definitely think it feels a bit quicker, but I'm not sure if it's the placebo effect. So what I do is I'm gonna flick off, it comes set standard 3. I'll click that off, I'm gonna put 4 on, and I'll see if that makes any difference. But well, it was only 70 quid, so it doesn't work. It doesn't work, does it? As always, if you are enjoying my videos, please subscribe to the channel. Your subscription massively helps me and it helps the channel grow. Please give me a like, let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll catch you in the next video.